Been working hard on the truck for the last few weeks. Got the cab and the bed removed from our frame. Frame has already been sold. Only took a day to sell it. Wasn't too surprised with that. Had some decent lowering parts on it, and things that would be desirable for someone who was wanting to do some quick work on their truck. But removed the cab. Used a engine lift. Just used the front body mount holes and the rear body mount holes from the inside. Just put on some hooks and winched it up. And then on the bed, borrowed my buddy Tackle Box borrowed his I don't know, little contraption that fits into the rear of the bed to where you can lift it. I guess you'd call it a bed lift, but you can hook it up to your engine lift, and removed it. So this video will basically be covering that. That was actually done probably 2-3 weeks ago. I had the footage, just been super busy with the truck, trying to get sheet metal repaired. You look down here and you can see already replaced inner rocker, and then the lower A-pillar. Actually had to do the inner kick panel, and just tons of sheet metal work going on right now. Actually videoing that process, and that will be the next video. Probably be hanging the door on it soon, and then putting in that way I can kind of get alignment on the actual outer rocker. But big progress on the truck, finding some pretty serious issues that are very time consuming. Luckily Jim, the owner of the truck, is understanding, and he wants it fixed right. His wife jokingly calls the truck a death trap. So in my opinion, I think that's a great nickname for the truck, but we're going to make it not a death trap for sure. So anyways, hope you enjoy the footage, and welcome back to the channel.